up? It's your girl E, and let's get right into this quickly video. So here I'm just showing y'all the base. I pretty much molded my hair down, pinned it up in the back, and then of course I left out a little bit of my edges, and then I just start right in by putting on the wig cap and getting started. So here I am just outlining my leave out, and this is a pretty helpful guide. So when I start laying down the tracks, I don't get it all over the part where I want my leave out to be. And so this is the Hair Doctor Quickly Bond Protector. It pretty much protects your hair from the weave glue, and so I'm just going to lay that down with the hair coloring brush. About to spray the cap with some Got To Be Glue hairspray. This ensures that your cap stays down, you hear me, and make sure you get plenty of it all over the cap. And right after, I'm going to go ahead and blow dry my hair to go ahead and keep it in place.
Conversations. I just wanna give into temptation.
And here is the start of the show, the Organique Straight Yaki Weave in 30 inches. And what I'm gonna do is go ahead and place the track along my hairline at the bottom, as you can see. And I'm gonna measure it from pretty much like ear to ear, but not too crazy since it's right at the bottom. And from there, after that, I'm gonna keep my finger exactly where it's at, and then I'm gonna cut it. And pretty much after that, I'll glue it down, and it'll just keep repeating the process. I'm going to go ahead and blow dry it so that way the bond can get tacky and stick right in place. hump in the back. When you're done, you're not even going to be able to see it. So sorry I'm out of frame, y'all. I thought that I was in it, but my camera was playing tricks on me, so I do apologize, but I promise you're just going to repeat the whole process over and over. Just measure and cut. As you can see, I'm brushing it now. It's nice and silky and swanky. Yes, girl, yes. Look at it. Now that I'm close to my leave out, I'm going to go ahead and cut the cap right in the middle. Please be careful and be sure to not cut your hair, okay? And then from here, I'm going to go ahead and cut the cap from my edges where there's like excess cap or whatever. So I'm just going to cut that off. Now here I'm just adding a few more tracks because I like my tracks pretty close to my leave out so that way it can blend like seamlessly. Edges together. I'm using Edge Fixer Glued in the scent Acacia, just using my good old Edge toothbrush, and I'm getting right into it. Now, I don't know if it's just me, but I make the ugliest faces when I do my edges. It may just be me, I don't know. Let me know if y'all the same, but y'all, just please excuse my facial expressions. Now, close to the end, we're going to work on this leave out. What I did was I pretty much just combed it out. I had it braided up. I combed it out. And from there, I went into it with my straightening comb. It's just a regular plug-in straightening comb. It wasn't that expensive from your local beauty supply store. I went in with it really well to make sure I got my roots as flat as I could. And from there, I just went ahead and flat ironed my hair. Here I'm just using a little bit of hair oil to go ahead and use on my hair before I flat iron it, so that way it can lay and be really shiny. Straighten my part, and work on getting my hair to cover all of the tracks at the top while blending in with the weave. Touches, I'm just using the back of my straightening comb to pretty much lay the back of it down because it was doing some little hump action at the top, and I don't know, I like for my installs to be extremely flat. So just a little bit of finishing touches, you know, nothing to it. It's completely optional, and here I'm just brushing it. And yes, I love this hair in this style. I love a middle part. I will stand beside a middle part, honey. And here is the final look. Yes, my babies, we made it to the end. I love this hair. It does tangle, so please just keep a brush with you, but I do love it. Very cute for a quick look. Thank y'all so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.